Hi everyone, welcome to my YouTube channel. If this is your first time to stumble on this channel, please like, subscribe and hit the notification bell so that anytime I post a new video you can see it. Okay, so I'm doing bulletproof coffee for keto. So I need, this is 1 tablespoon of coffee. I'm putting it inside, and then normally you need 1 tablespoon of butter or coconut oil. So I put my butter. Then this is almond milk. I put my almond milk all together, and then I quietly close it. I close it and I blend. See, I'm blending it together. It's finished. So now I have my bulletproof coffee. This is it. This is how it looks like. You see, this is how it looks like when you finish it. That is it. So guys, that is all for today. Like, share and subscribe to my YouTube channel if it is your first time to stumble on it. Bye bye. One love.